Wow. Oh wait, you guys have electric skateboards?
You want to try?
Huh?
You want to try?
You have electric skateboards? Huh?
Open.
Wanna do this?
At 700.
Huh?
700. 1 hour.
No man, let's just ride.
You want to try?
You guys accept card? They accept card?
No cash on.
Oh, cash on. Fuck.
Huh? I close. It's closed.
Oh my god. That's what I read. That's what I ride in the States.
What?
That's what I ride in the States.
Electric scooter?
Uh-huh.
Electric skate?
Yeah. I don't need to try that stuff. I just have that at home. Let's see how good surf is. You guys ever created that? Remember? Huh? You guys ever create something like that?
What, the
A hammock?
Duyan?
Huh?
Duyan?
That's how,
The swing?
That's what it's called?
Yeah, Duyan.
Duyan hammock?
Duyan.
Duyanan? Yeah, but that's like a hammock.
Yeah, hammock. America have like that?
No.
No?
I mean, we have a hammock, but like, it's not created like that. These pups are like super chill. You got the grocery store and storm.ryders. They have a storm coming through. Oh my god, look. Look up, there's a storm coming through.
What?
There's a storm.
Summer here is alive.
Summer here is every day.
It's alive.
Why do you say that's alive?
Because the weather here is not good. Always raining, storm, and earthquake.
It sounds like California. California is the same way.
I was shocked when earthquake.
Huh?
I was shocked.
Earthquake? You've never experienced earthquakes before?
In Camiguin earthquake, just like that.
Huh?
Very slow.
Very slow?
Here is like that, yeah, very slow. I think there's an entrance in morning.
Better not be a fucking
We better go this way.
I know.
People here are waking up early. Early bird gets the worm first.
No, early bird has the coolest time in the world right now. It's not as hot.
Inera o ano?
Yucky horse.
There we go. You want the sword?
Hold on, relax. Making some observation. Oh my God. Holy shit, what is that? Look at that. Oh wow, somebody's surfing it.
Let's take picture there. Hi. Okay. There goes sign. What's this?
Oh.
It's very nice.
Look, somebody's surfing it.
You want the sword?
No, hold on, hold on. Look from far away. Look, look, look. Right there.
It's very scary.
How is it scary? These are really the best times to surf. When it's a storm like this.
It's very cold.
Huh?
It's very cold.
Very cold. This is the best time to surf though. There's a storm. But look at that. You see that right there? Like, do you need a boat to get there? See that from far away?
What?
Far.
Yeah.
The white water that's far away out there.
Why it's very wavy here?
Huh?
Why it's very wavy?
Why? Because they pick up from the storm.
That's the real wave.
Huh? It's from a storm. Anytime there's a storm, it's like it's fucking heaven. So if it's good here, or if there's a storm here, Pacifico would be really the best place. Huh?
Let's go there.
Yeah. Pacifico or that place right there, that far end right there.
You surf in Pacifico.
Huh?
You surf in Pacifico.
Well, when I was here first time with Rocky, we were trying to look for Pacifico.
You didn't find?
No.
No, we find it now.
Yeah. There was a famous spot. Over there, look. Oh my God.
just stay there. Or just stay.
Yeah, they're just gouging everybody.
It's 100.
Yeah. Is somebody riding that right there?
What?
The whitewater right there in the very end. Huh?
There's a drone. Huh? Swing. Woohoo! Ah. Woohoo! Yee-hee-hee! Woo! Woohoo! Oh, it's so dumb. Yee! Oh, God. All right. It's very cold.
This is cold. This is nothing. This is California weather. Yeah.
This looks California.
Huh?
This looks California.
This weather is California.
People are here
Huh?
crazy collecting
What?
entrances.
I know, that's crazy, yeah. Collecting entrance fee, that's fucking crazy.
God made the ocean free for free people. But people make an entrances.
They're gouging shark gal. That's fucking crazy. Oh look. Wanna go surf?
It's so cold.
It's not cold. The water's always warm.
Here. I stay here.
surfing that one.
Look, the girl.
Huh?
When you surf, you get scratch your legs, feet.
Huh?
You get scratch.
Yeah,
You feel.
all of this right here is a reef. This is all reef. You know what the reef looks like? That right there. See that right there? Yeah. With a lot of living animals. So if you drop in, had a whole buddy system right there. Like, oh, you need it, yay! One more entrance now there is. Huh? That's not right, man. Whatever. I'm only here for a short time. I don't care.
I want to live in the mountain, not in front of the ocean.
Mountain. Not in front of the ocean. Why?
It's very cold.
Huh? Oh, God. Yeah, they have a whole group over there. Alright, let's go back. Yeah, let's go back before that rain actually gets us. Oh, there it is. full on rain.
Very true. I won't let go.
I won't let go.
I'll picture you there.
That's funny.
There's a corgi here. Dog.
Dogs over there, yeah, sure. Oh, looks like we can't go. Oh, it's skateboarding.
Raining.
Let's go.